Have you ever felt that your child has way too many classes? How do you normally spend your weekends? Let me guess. Driving your child from class to class or event to event? Sometimes this can really be tiring for the child as well as the parent. Think about it. When you were young, you barely had one or two classes. But now, I can bet that your children have 4 to 5 classes in a day, or at least in a week. Are the children overscheduled, or do they just not know how to manage time? My name is Zia Faisal, and let's find out if children are overscheduled and if they should learn to manage time. Many children today are seriously overscheduled. In the UAE, only 19% of children actually have physical activity, while the rest spend their evenings being shuttled from class to class. Overscheduling children can affect their creativity and mental health, even if it's done for their own success. I have a friend whose schedule was completely filled. Not even a single break. One day she was really excited because she has just joined basketball classes. It was one of her biggest dreams to be a professional basketball player. But after a month, I realized that she had stopped going for these classes because she felt that she wasn't good at it. Like, what? She had barely been going for a month. And she didn't know that it takes an entire year to actually learn basketball. Studies have also shown that overscheduling affects your patience, but not in a good way. Kids no longer go outside and hit the ball. They have a game. They no longer sit and color. They have art classes. They're spending their time in these constructive activities that everything is so structured and everybody is stressed. By the time they reach high school, they are bored and burned out. Unstructured play allows children to create, discover, and explore without predetermined rules or guidelines. Children work together to solve problems on their own. While activities should be supervised, we must allow the children some time before we actually go and help them solve a problem. Playgrounds and outdoor spaces are ideal for unstructured play since they provide millions of opportunities to interact with the world. Now, what if your child is not actually overscheduled? What if they just don't know how to manage their time? Time management is the process of planning and organizing on how to divide your time between specific activities and priorities. Managing your time allows you to finish your tasks faster and easier. Time management benefits you in every area of your life. The 5 P's of time management: prioritization, planning, productivity, persistence, and patience offer the perfect pathway to success. Organizing some time to relax and do nothing helps you to refresh mentally and physically, and you can also complete your tasks faster and easier. Imagine your time as weight, and your schedule is now one where you have to carry a huge stack of books. Time management is like giving yourself a backpack to reduce the strain from your hands. That way, you can also grab a cookie on your way with free, relaxed hands. Sounds good, doesn't it? We all want the best for our children, but stressing them isn't it. A well-planned timetable can fix everything. Less stress, more balance, and way more smiles. After all, what's the point of doing so much if the kids can't even enjoy it? Thank you.